Here's my makeup application tips for mature skin with DCYPHER's custom blend foundation and concealer.
DCYPHER uses AI technology to create a unique foundation recipe custom mixed to fit your exact skin tone. It's your perfect skin in a bottle.
But first, let's talk about DCYPHER's foundation and concealer. The AI technology in DCYPHER's foundation and concealer ensures a perfect match every single time. And what I also love about DCYPHER's foundation is that you can choose your desired finish. So whether you want a matte finish, you want a sheer finish, you want something quite glowy, DCYPHER's foundation has it all. And perfect for enhancing our skin as we get a little older. So I don't know about you, but as my skin started to get a bit more mature, the problems with fine lines, age spots, dehydration, and the textures changed completely. We're going to need something that addresses those problems. Now, DCYPHER's foundation contains glycerin, which is really great for hydration, so it's brilliant for my skin at this stage. Also, we're going to need a concealer that's brightening. DCYPHER's got that too. And DCYPHER's unique foundation and concealer with AI-driven technology is going to give me those optimal results, a perfect coverage and a great finish every single time. So let me show you how. Well, after really good skin prep, we're going to take our foundation and our foundation brush. Start by adding a little foundation to the back of your hand. And then load up your brush with the foundation. Then buff the foundation onto the skin. This will really help with application because you get such a smooth finish with the brush and the coverage, well, you can see the coverage. So we've evened out our skin tone with the DCYPHER custom foundation, covering all those dark spots, fine lines, and giving the skin a real glow. Now, let's lighten and brighten with DCYPHER's concealer. To any areas that are dark or red or grey, anything that needs to be covered. And blend the concealer out. For perfect coverage and longevity, it's a great idea to add a few layers of concealer, blending really well in between coats. Dark circles, fine lines gone, and my skin is looking really radiant. So check out DCYPHER for that personalised skin routine with a perfect coverage and colour match every single time. Check out DCYPHER.me for more information and to create your custom foundation and concealer.